kasi huwag kayong sumunod dito kasi hindi pa tayo susunod dito.
So we're in part 2 now. Now, you guys like in my channel, right? Maybe. Wait, I have to find something.
Pero malabahan.
Wait. Alright. And then you're ugly. Whatever. And now, wait. Okay, this is Joseph Mo Central M Kapili channel, and welcome to the part 2. And then my siblings are so annoying. I think.
Brush ka na, kuya?
Never mind. Ignore my mom. So annoying. It's alright. Maybe. And it's this. Alright. So subscribe for my channel and okay. Subscribe to my channel and like this video if you're part 3. Stay connected.